Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We've got a unique project today. Got a 1998 CR125 that I picked up yesterday. Wheels look pretty good and pretty straight. Frame looks pretty clean. There are some wear marks in there. Suspension's all there. I saw this bike last year and I didn't get it. The kid that bought it was going to do a full restore. He took it apart, like there's a new radiator, some new plastics, but then he abandoned ship on it. So I do know that when it was taken apart, it did in fact run. Everything was there, so it should. You can tell there's somewhere on like the subframe, but not too bad. Here's all the other parts. So in here we got the carb and the clutch springs and the water pump cover, CDI, wiring, all that. I'm not sure why he took it apart or what the plan was, because again, it was my understanding it ran when it came apart. This is the clutch slider bolt. But engine does have decent compression. So if I crank here, it's got good solid compression, and the piston looks good in there, and the crank looks good. I don't know if you can see that. You can hear it's fighting me. So, should be good parts, should be decent stuff. I might sell the engine entirely or split it up if somebody wants pieces off of it. Let us know what you're looking for. So if you need parts for your 98 CR125r, hopefully I've got what you need. We'll get it out there on eBay as quick as we can. Remember to subscribe down below to see what else we're picking up or taking apart. You can always check on eBay and see what we've got, or you can get a hold of me directly below. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.